What is going up, guys? So today, check this out. It's a beautiful day outside. Check this out. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous outside today. Look at all the fruit that I throw in my backyard. So it's beautiful out today. I got a new bike. So there's some waterfalls, maybe like 5 miles from my house. I'm gonna ride there. I have a GoPro mount for my bike, so I'm gonna put you on there. We're gonna cruise, go down to the falls, chill. I'm in the darkness, so spooky. I got my backpack, everything in it. Putting my GoPro stuff together right now. You don't want your chips to get lapped, your lips to get chapped. So got that. We're gonna head out, and you're gonna be on the front. Her name's Lucy. I'll show you when we get out there. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm loving the GoPro. Oh my goodness. Okay. See you guys in a minute. Okay. Beautiful outside. No sunscreen. Check out my legs. Hold on. See if I can show you. You see like that? There you go. That's from kayaking. So gonna get burnt again today. Here she is. This is Lucy. This is where you're gonna be sitting right here. This little mount. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go get a tank top just in case, because I'm already sweating and I've been outside for 15 seconds. Okay, I've switched to a lighter material and I have a tank top underneath. The lighter material is probably gonna come off in 30 seconds anyway, but at least I have options. Okay, I'm gonna put you on here and then we're gonna get cruising. Okay. And we're all ready. And we're all ready. There's this cool, I'm probably like a mile from my house. There's this cool culvert that we used to come to all the time when I was a kid. You could like, up from the road, you can get up there. I used to go metal fishing in here. There's not much metal in it. It's mostly fish hooks. But yeah, this cute little area. Man. Here she is. Look at this butte. Look at this butte. Something that fascinates me just about, like, I said this before, about just man energy moving you. You know, something human powered. It's just there's a certain kind of beauty in it. Okay. I'm gonna chill here for a minute and then we're gonna get back on the road. You feel me? Yep. This is much harder than I expected it to be. My quads are exhausted. Also, I know I don't have a helmet. I didn't buy one yet. Please don't yell at me. I'll get one. I promise. I'm just not going very far, so I didn't think it was a big issue. I will get one, don't worry. I got this yesterday. The only helmet they had was broken. it's coming off. Oh. That's my bell, by the way. It's pretty slow. Look at that hill in front of me. Disclaimer, don't not wear a helmet. Okay, anybody watching this, you should wear a helmet. I'm an idiot, I'm gonna get one. I feel like I need to make that more, what's the word? I can't think right now. Can't stress that enough. Wear a helmet, especially when people look crazy on the road. Wear a helmet. Don't do what I'm doing. Please wear a helmet. Welcome to my TED Talk. Next video I'll have one. Guaranteed. Okay. Man. It is not cold today. It is not cold today. When you're on the road, you want to act like you're driving a car. Obey the road laws. Look out for other drivers. Check this out. I'm gonna get going so fast here. Ding ding. We're almost there. We're almost there. I'll be back. I'm gonna get closer. I'm gonna take a break. Tired, extremely tired. Okay. Scratch, scratch, scratch.
You think it was the mountain.
Now, here's the trick, okay? Now here's the trick. It said no biking, but it did not say no bikes allowed. I'm not biking. I simply have a bike. Big thing. So here's the falls from super far away. I realized I could have just like left the camera on my bike instead of having to do like portrait mode video. It's on like a bag clip on my shoulder strap. But here it is from far away. Here I am in front of it from far away. Which is cuter? Which is cuter? Let me know. It's a bug on my tricep. Help. That's what the gym does to you. It's my arm. I could just call it my arm. Why do I gotta call it my tricep? I don't know. I have an idea. I feel like I'm playing Fruit Ninja with the mosquitoes. They're bugging me like crazy right now. Look, it's just me and Lucy. Me and Lucy just chilling up here. Look at, oh my goodness. I might switch to 4K for this. This is nut-worthy. I'm gonna get closer, don't worry. Hold on, we're gonna go 4K. This is probably crazy battery power it's using right now. I'm gonna get closer, don't worry. Man. It's kind of the best view you get, like, kind of the best view you get from, like, in front of it, because down there, I'm gonna be behind it. So, BRB. Alright, here we are. Going down. Lucy is lucky that she's very light. I gotta stash her somewhere. People smoking here. I can smell it from all the way up there. Hold on. See how close we can get to the edge. taking off the backpack. I actually brought fruit. I brought some fun fruit to eat. So hold on, give me a second. I will set up. And hold on, just 1 second. Be right back. Okay, don't do this at home either, because it says restricted. Shh. Because if you fall off this, you're not a human anymore. You die. Check. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Someone legit could just push me right now. Please don't. Yeah. All right. It's nice here. It's fruit time. Okay. I got a nectarine and a plum. Never had either of these before. This nectarine kind of looks like an apple. It looks like an apple and a tomato, but I think it's closer to a peach. I don't know. Oh my goodness. This is like a sort of like a mango. Kind of feels like I'm eating a mango right now. That's pretty good. It's a little tough. Alright. I don't know, a plum. I think there's that pits in them. Pretty sure these do. Pretty squishy. No idea what it's gonna taste like. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to explain that. I don't even know how to explain how that tastes. It's good though. Oh, wow. It's better than nectarine. A plum. Plum gets an 8.2. Nectarine gets a 7.5. Oh, deer flies. Yeah. That's my rating right now. Really good. I'm gonna go finish some now. Man, 4K really obliterates your battery. Check this out though, hold on. Man, that's so smooth, it's like drone footage. For real. I found a little nook and cranny to like hide him. I'm just chilling. I'm gonna chill over here for a little bit. I'm gonna read a book. Read a book or something. I don't know. It's so dark. I'm gonna read a book or something. Yeah. So hey guys, that's kind of it. I'm just gonna chill here for probably another hour or two. Read a book. Chill by the water. absorb sunlight in this scenery, and then destroy my legs on the way home. Not looking forward to that, but there was so much uphill on the way here, there's got to be downhill on the way back. That's just simple, like, physics calculus stuff, right? Yeah. Anyway, catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like these outdoors videos. I like doing the outdoors videos. I'd like to do more. Hopefully they, you know, hopefully you guys like it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do more bike ride videos, because I mean, that was a lot of fun. Like I said, I love human powered things, so anything like human powered, I guess. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, comment your favorite fruit. I might have done this before, I'm gonna do it again, because honestly, I didn't even, plums and nectarines, goated. Honestly, those, I had a really good time. I probably bumped those both up by a few points if I ate them again. Yeah, one more time. Look at this butte. Hold on. Give you one more last. Give you one more last look before we. That's all I got for you. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. And wear a helmet. Okay? Wear a helmet. Deuces.